Retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mapranga is openly challenged President Emmerson Mnangagwa's reported push to extend his rule, adding to a growing chorus of dissent from senior military figures who once formed the backbone of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. Tibina Pankwa Inoi, notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Zim Mobile Captains, another Army General takes Mnangagwa head on. Mapranga's intervention comes just days after retired Air Marshal Henry Puchena issued a similar warning, signaling widening cracks within the military and liberation war establishment that was instrumental in Mnangagwa's rise to power following the November 2017 military intervention. In November 2017, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, led by then Commander General Constantino Chiwenga, launched what was officially termed Operation Restore Legacy, placing long-time ruler Robert Mugabe under house arrest and forcing his resignation after 37 years in power. The military action, backed by war veterans and sections of the ZANU-PF, paved the way for Mnangagwa, then recently dismissed as vice president, to assume the presidency. However, nearly a decade later, analysts say Mnangagwa has struggled to consolidate the same level of political authority and internal party control that Mugabe maintained for over 3 decades. Mugabe wielded near total dominance over ZANU-PF through a combination of patronage, ideological loyalty, and a firm grip on both party and state institutions. In contrast, Mnangagwa's leadership has been marked by persistent factionalism, contested succession battles, and a growing discontent within both the party and the military ranks. Mapranga, echoing Muchena's remarks, framed his criticism within the ideals of the liberation struggle. The Air Marshal is right. The flag has changed. The anthem has changed. The faces of the podium have changed. But the impulse to govern without consent, to rule without accountability, has not changed. It has merely found new clothing. The intervention by senior retired commanders underscores mounting unease over proposals linked to Constitutional Amendment Bill Number 3, which critics argue could extend Mnangagwa's stay in power beyond current term limits. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Nagome section medu zafungura aim kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi chiona magenerals achiataka our president Mnangagwa head on. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.